Is your business ready for 2025? Now, why will business credit be so critical for your success in 2025? Now, depending on when you're looking at this, if you're still looking at it, you're like, hey, I'm still in fourth quarter or whatever you're looking at it. I'm telling you, this is going to be so important. Number one, economic uncertainty. Now, with the potential shifts or downturns, what's going to happen is traditional lenders may tightening their credit requirements. So businesses with strong business credit will have better access to funding. I'm telling you, even during challenging times. So that's number one. And then number two, just increase lending competition. Because here's what's happening as more and more fintech companies, as well as alternative lenders, emerge, and they're just happening all the time, they're going to rely heavily on business credit data to evaluate risk. Because long gone are the times where all the handwritten underwriters shake hands kind of deal, that's not happening. Because so companies with well-established credit profiles like you who are taking advantage are going to stand out. And then number three is separation of personal as well as business finance. Now, this is something that I talk a lot about, and business owners over the last 22 years of business owners are increasingly recognizing the importance of separating their personal credit from their business credit. And having a strong business credit profile allows entrepreneurs to protect their personal assets as well as just gain more favorable terms on business financing or business loans. All right, number four, it's just potential of higher interest rates. Now, as this tape, the Fed recently lowered interest rates. However, if interest rates will rise, businesses with strong credit will secure loans at better rates. And while those with weaker credit will face higher borrowing costs, and that's going to reduce your competitiveness in the marketplace. All right, so number five, it's just business expansion. Now, as more businesses look to grow an increasing competitive market, just having a robust business credit profile is going to be essential for securing the necessary capital to expand operations, invest in technology, or just enter in new markets. So if that's you, let's take advantage of that. And then number six, just supplier relationships. Because here in 2025, supplier as well as vendors, they may increasingly rely on business credit scores to extend trade credit. Now, at giving well-accredited businesses better terms as well as cash flow advantages to those businesses. And that if that's you with the better business credit profile. And then last but not least, number seven, global market competition. Now, I kid you not, yesterday I got an email from a company in our headquarters is in Birmingham, Alabama. Now we have operations also outside of DC and we operate all over the country. But I got an email from a company in India that sells furniture and they were prospecting us. So this is if you're not in a global market competition, you don't know it yet. Because as businesses face growing global competition, I'm just saying this, those with access to better financing options, thanks to your business strong business credit profile will have an edge in expanding internationally or staying competitive in their industries. And if you're like, well, Dominic, how do I go? Where is the next step? What do I need to do? Definitely just at the bottom link, join our Keys for Business Masterclass, keysforbusiness.com/masterclass, or just ping me and just say, hey, what is the next steps? Because I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity.